subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में भी मैं आपको सम ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ एपी से रिलेटेड एक प्रॉब्लम और सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा। तो आइए देखते हैं वो प्रॉब्लम क्या है और कैसे उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। So the question is given in an AP of 99 terms, the sum of all the odd numbered terms is 2550. Then find the sum of all 99 terms of that AP. Means here there are 99 terms given and they have given all odd terms, sum of all odd terms, that is 2550. So we will use that condition, sum of all odd terms, and we'll find sum of all terms. Okay, so let's say, so there is one thing, there are 99 terms, so we have to find how many odd terms over there. So you can think it like 1 to 99, there are 50 terms, that is odd terms, like T1, T3, T5, T7. So there are 50 terms, those are odd terms. Okay, so we can write, if suppose A1, A2, A3, all those A99 up to A99, all the terms. So we can first term A1, that is odd term, A99, this is the last term, also odd term. So we can add it A1 plus A99, and we know the formula. If first term and last term is given, that is A and L, then sum of that terms of AP is n by 2 A plus L. So we will use that formula because we have a first term and last term. So let A1, A2, A3 up to A99 are the terms of given AP. Okay, and they have added A1, A3, A5 up to A99, that is 2550. Okay, so there are 50 terms. Okay, so n is equals to 50 and first term is A1, last term is A99. So we'll use that formula A plus L, n by 2 into A plus L. So Sn be n by 2 A plus L. So here S50 equals to 50 upon 2 A1 plus A99, that is equals to 2550. Okay, so from here A1 plus A99 is equals to 2550 into 2 upon 5. Now we can solve it. So here 5 and 1 0. So A1 plus A99 is equals to 0 to 1020. Okay, so 1020. So there is a slightly mistake, this is 50. Okay, so and this 0 get cancelled, so that is only 1020. So A1 plus A99 is equals to 1020. Now we get the sum of first term and last term. Now there is total 99 terms, so n is equals to 99. So Sn equals to 99 upon 2 A1 plus A99, and A99 plus A1 we already get it, that is 102. So now solve this one, 2, 5 and 1. Now 99 into 51, so that is 5049. So sum of all terms is 5049. So हमने क्या देखा कि हमने जो गिवन कंडीशन था वो उसको हमने क्लेवरली यूज किया इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। हमें सिर्फ ऑड टर्म्स के सम दिए थे, तो हमने उसमें इवन टर्म्स के भी ऐड किए, और फिर उसके बाद सब इवन ऑड मिलके मीन्स होल टर्म्स A1 to A99 का हमने सम निकाला, दैट इज 5049। दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू।